You know how they do this, right? They cut the snow eater.
They do it with a shovel, don't they?
No,
Not with a shovel.
it's a snow eater.
one man.
It's a snow eater, like
I
you.
thought it was one man with a shovel.
Where?
And he just digs his way through all summer.
Is that right? All summer?
All summer.
Look at this, how neatly they're done.
How neatly he did it.
Huh? Now this is beautiful. Would you not say this?
Yep.
Where would you have experienced this if you stayed around
In the
your
Alps,
room? Where would you have experienced it?
Pyrenees,
No, they don't have this.
Andes.
They don't have this.
Let's just name a few. You did ask.
Have a look at this wall. It's 2 meters high on the side. And that means it's like Churubo, Toyama Nagoya Alpine route in Japan, where it rises up to 21 meters in total.
21 metre high walls.
21
20
meters.
metre.
21 meters tall. Snow walls, and it's renowned and recommended to go this time of the year because it's open from now until about early September as it then gets shuts up again, so that it can gather more.
He goes, woo woo man.
Woo, woo, woo. We'll give him a hoot too.
Yeah.
This man who's cycling here was giving us a little hoot. We're gonna give him a hoot now.
That's it.
Well done! Hats off! Hats off!
You're indicating still.
Where is it?
I don't know, he fell off his bike.
Wow, look at this, look at this sunshine, look at this, Mosquito Lake. There'll be full of mosquitoes in here, hence the name.
Why do they call it Mosquito Lake?
Well, probably got enough mosquitoes in here. There's a lake there, you can see the blue little stuff. Wow, look at this, look at this, look at it.
Well, it's a complete lake.
It is
Full
beautiful.
with snow.
Blue and all. Lovely piece of road. It's totally right.
Hmm?
You want to do a video? No.
I was going to, but don't.
So
I think I've got enough snow bloody pictures on there.
No, you haven't. We'll park you here. Huh? Look at this. There you go.